everyone, and I have big news. Yay! I got, drumroll please. Come on, work. I got seriously, hurry up. Ooh. And oh, hallelujah. Yeah, I got an Artic Wolf. Yay! I'm so epic. I'm gonna look so epic now. Hello, Artic. I'm so happy. And I'm going to my den to celebrate. Yes, it looks so epic. Hallelujah. It took me forever to find one of these things. Artic Wolves. So, yes. Well, that looks kind of cool. Yes, my epic Artic Wolf. It's so epic! And now it needs a little Artic Wolf to follow it. And look it, match it perfectly. And I just earned a bunch of gems, so now I can get an Artic Wolf to match it perfectly. I'm so evil. Hang on. Well, I'll change how it looks, so. Oh gosh. I wish I had tail armor. I'm gonna change her to look red. I'm gonna see if I can get her to look like a goat. My Artic Wolf looks like a red. It actually looks pretty cool. This is like an epic pattern to have on your Artic Wolf. I don't know why, it just is. She's so epic! Oh my gosh! Cannot believe it! When you get a pet. Wahaha. I don't know why I named that dainty tree. It's just a weird thing. Hang on, I'm trying to get her to match. That's the brightest green you can get, but there we go. That looks a little bit. Bum, 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 bum. Yay! Oh, I love leg armor on any animal. It just gives them a little cringe. Okay, what should I wear? Oh my gosh. Yay! I've been waiting forever to get one of these. Oh my gosh, you guys do not know how long I've been wanting this thing. An Artic Wolf. Oh, that looks epic. There we go. Perfect. Yay, I cannot believe this is my Artic Wolf. Mine! And for once, I got something before my friend. Take that. Whenever I get a new animal, I like to use all their abilities. Bounce, bounce. Oh, it's so epic! Yes! Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I love my Artic Wolf. Hello, Artic Wolf. I'm going to totally get more soon, because they are epic! Epicness! And I think I'll yell in the middle of the street that I just got an Artic Wolf. Tick. Yay! I know that sounds like bragging, I'm sorry, but it's too much for me. Oh, she's so pretty! How about P.S. I'm recording you, so don't call me being greedy. I'm gonna click on people randomly. Heresy. I don't know how to pronounce that. 1, 3, 8. Good boy, jock. 1, 2, 3. Okay, bye, people. Goodbye. And oh, want to see my face? The face I made. It's a mustache. If you look at it sideways, you can see it. I didn't get the faces at first. I'm like, what the heck? What are they doing? I don't know. I'm like, oh, they're faces. Okay, I get it. Dance. Oh my gosh. Bye, people.